Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today I don't even know what it is. Yeah, anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Sophia. Yeah, highly welcome. I appreciate you. Welcome all my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Love you all. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel and watching my content. Okay guys, so today's video is unboxing. I'm going to unbox my Amazon order. In fact, I didn't even know this particular thing exists until a friend of mine told me about it. I know there are others. I know the normal one, but not this particular one. All right guys, let's get into this unboxing video. Okay guys, so this is what I want to unbox in this long box here. See, all the way down there. It's quite tall. Okay, so my daughter is going to help me to hold my camera, which is my phone I'm using to vlog again. Yeah guys, so that's my unboxing thing. I'm going to unbox it now, and my daughter will help me to hold my phone so I can open it for you guys to see. Okay guys, so I'm going to open the box is quite long, so I'm going to use my little knife here to open it because it's quite a tall box. So let me open it so that we can all see what is in there. I can see the manual here, and then it's right inside. It's quite tall. I don't know if, no, I can't see the name there, but anyway, I hope you guys can see. The carton is quite tall, so yeah, so I'm going to have to lift it out of the carton. Oh my. Okay guys, I have to drop it down because it's really long. That was not easy at all. Thank you. Sorry for the background noise guys, but anyway, finally take it out of the carton. So this is it. I think it has a wheel, I'm not sure. The foot, yeah, I think it has a foot. Okay guys, so I'm going to remove this, and I'll show you guys properly. Okay guys, so I've opened it so you guys can see it properly. It does have a wheel, the wheels, what do they call it, foot, leg. Comes in this box here. So I just want to cut this off on both sides, and just as I said before, I haven't seen this particular type before. You can see that you can plug it, so it's like a heater when you can hang your clothes on it. I've seen the normal ones, but this is my first time of seeing this one, and I bought it from Amazon. Okay guys, so you can see the plug. So it has a plug. It's quite tall. I'm sure by the time I put the legs on it, it will be much taller. It's almost the same height as me. I'm not a very tall person anyway. Yeah, so that's it. I'm just going to cut this rope or string, I don't know, that I used to tie it together, and then I'll open it up so you guys can see it. Okay. On it, the wheels, legs, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I have done that now. So I'm going to turn it down I'm going to turn it first. This is the bottom part, so I'm going to turn it to face down. So this is the whole thing. This is the plug. Which, yeah, that's the plug. Okay guys, so I'm going to turn it. It has, before I turn it, it has some of these things like this. It's on the body. So let's turn it together and see. I don't really know how to open it, so I'm just learning. This is my first time of using it. In fact, this is my first time of seeing anyone like this. I haven't really seen a heated one, well, of this. I've seen the normal manual ones that you just opened and hang your clothes to dry, but this one is like a heater. So you plug it on, and I think all these bars becomes warm and they dry your clothes. It's a bit expensive. Well, it's not too over expensive, but I feel it's a little expensive, I think. So this cost me about £100. Yeah, so, but it's going to be useful because I normally hang my clothes and my kids' clothes on the door. So I decided to just get something better. And we do a lot of laundry because there's a lot of us here. So in this house, so we do a lot of laundry. So I needed something that can dry the clothes a bit quicker. Okay guys, so let me lift it up a bit so you can see. I'm going to be using this little space here to hook it. Okay guys, 1 minute. Okay guys, so I've got my daughter to hold the camera because if not you won't be able to see the bottom part that I'm trying to fix. Okay, so as I said, this is my first and I'm just using my own imagination to believe that it's supposed to hook into here. Come closer so you can see. I think it's supposed to hook. Let me move this one a bit. Yeah, I think so. I think it needs to hook into here. Yeah, that's it. I think that's how it should be. And the next one needs to hook into this one. Okay. And then the last one. Oh, this is quite nice. It's quite easy though, but the legs took a little while for me to fix them because you need a spanner, isn't it? Is it a spanner or what do you call it? It's not a screwdriver. What do you call that? I don't know. I think it's a spanner. you need a spanner to do the legs. Okay, so I fixed it here. Okay guys, please don't forget to like this video if you've watched up to this point. Please guys, watch, subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Okay guys, so this is it. So I've set it up. It looks really good. Doesn't look too bad at all. See, it's almost the same height as me because I'm not a very tall person. Okay, so this is it. I think I'm just going to be leaving it on the side of my window like this, and let me turn it around because the plug is on this side. It looks really good. I hope it works. It works good. This is the plug. So I think I might have to get an extension cable because my plug is the socket is quite far away from where I'm standing. So I might have to get an extension cable to use it. So let's remove this. Okay. Oh, maybe not. Let me see. Okay guys, I mean not because my plug is just somewhere around there. Okay, the socket rather, I meant to say. Okay guys, so that's it. That's my, I don't know what it's called. What do you call it? Is it hair or hair? Something you hang clothes. Something you hang clothes, your laundry to dry. I don't know what you call it. Hair or something. Yeah guys, so that's it. That's it. I'm happy I got it. I pray it works good. So my honest review, it looks good. So let's hope that it works good and it doesn't broke on time. Yeah, let's hope that it stays long at least, you know. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please don't forget to give this video a fat, big, massive thumbnail and share this video. Someone might find this helpful, so share the video, subscribe, comment. Yes, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.